Why do I keep baked chicken in the fridge at all times? Because it's so easy. Watch. Get the dark meat of your choice, skin on, arrange on lined cookie sheets. Season with salt. 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Optional step. If you save your chicken juice, we'll call it, when it cools down, you have tallow. So the part up here that looks like lard, that's what I fry a lot of my eggs in. The bottom part then I use to replace bone broth in my beans, whether it be cowboy beans or baked beans. Final step, once it's cooled down, bag it, tag it, throw it in the fridge.